Hello everyone and welcome to this video on conversions. So here I want to convert the decimal number 110.2625 in base 10 to hexadecimal. All right, so to do this we need three parts. We need to do a integer conversion part, then we need to do a fractional conversion part, and then we need to combine the results. So the integer conversion part is going to take the integer portion of that number and we're going to divide it by 16 because 16 is the base number for hexadecimal. And we're going to keep doing that until we get 0 for our quotient. And we're going to make sure to write down the remainders along the way. And for the fractional part, we're going to multiply the fraction, which is the number after the decimal place, by 16 because 16 was or is the base for hexadecimal. And we're going to write down the integer part along the way. And we're going to continuously multiply the decimal part by 16 until we get 0 in our decimal place. Now, there are basically a few things where you don't stop, right? A few reasons why you wouldn't stop. And in that case, something is being repeated. And we cannot just go on forever, so we will have to eventually stop ourselves. But that's okay. So let's go ahead and just get this started. You can see it a lot better visually than me just talking about it. Okay. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to divide the integer part, which is 110, by 16. All right, so we're going to do 110 divided by 16, and this equals 6 with a remainder of 14. And I'm just going to put a little note here. 14 is E in hexadecimal. Okay, those remainders are very important for us. All right, next we're going to take that 6 and we're going to divide it by 16 and we get 0. So this tells us that we're done, right? But I need to write down that remainder. So we get 0 with a remainder of 6. Okay. And the important parts again are the remainders, 14 and 6. So the integer part, which is 110 in hexadecimal, is 6 and 14, and that translates to 6E. And notice that I first started writing our remainders from the bottom to the top. Okay, so I get 6E for the integer conversion part. Now we're going to go to the next step, which is the fractional conversion part. All right, and to do that, we're going to multiply the fraction part by 16. So what's the fraction part? The fraction part is 0.2625. I'm going to multiply that by 16. And when I do that, I get 4.2. And then I write down the integer. The integer part is 4. All right. And now I'm going to take the decimal part, which is 0.2 from our equation from our equation that gave us 4.2. I'm taking the 0.2 part. And I'm going to multiply that by 16 as well, and I get 3.2. So the integer part is 3. All right? Okay, so now I'm going to take that 0.2 part from 3.2. I'm going to multiply it by 16, and this equals 3.2. And again, the integer part is 3. And so now we can see that this actually will never stop. We just keep doing this forever. we will never get a 0 here in this case, right? So this will never stop. So we're going to have to stop ourselves. All right, and we just got to realize and abstract that this goes off to infinity. It goes on forever. Okay, so we're just going to stop there for now. So the fractional part, which in this case is 0.2625 in hexadecimal, is approximately, I'm going to come down here, 0.4333 is going to go off to infinity, repeating, right? Okay, so now we're going to combine the results. So I'm going to take the first part and I'm going to add it to the second part. So we get 6e plus 0.4333 repeating, and this is equal to 6e.4333 repeating. And this is our answer. So 110.2625 base 10 converted to hexadecimal is 6e.4333 repeating forever. All right. So thank you all. I really hope that you learned something new, and I really hope that I explained this very well. Don't forget to go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification, and thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.